ConfigMaps and Secrets in Kubernetes look almost identical at first glance, but mix them up, and you might expose your database password to everyone in the cluster. Let's break down what makes them different. The core difference is sensitivity. ConfigMaps store non-sensitive configuration data like application settings, feature flags, or environment-specific URLs. Secrets, on the other hand, are designed for sensitive data like passwords, API tokens, and encryption keys. ConfigMaps store everything in plain text, which is fine for config. Secrets use base 64 encoding, which isn't encryption, but it does prevent accidental exposure in logs or dashboards. If you need real encryption, you can enable encryption at rest in etcd. Both ConfigMaps and Secrets work the same way when you use them. You can mount either one as a volume inside your pod where each key becomes a file, or you can inject them as environment variables. The mechanics are identical, which is why it's so easy to confuse them. The difference is in how Kubernetes treats them internally. Secrets have extra security features. They support stricter RBAC policies, so you can limit who can read or write secrets. Kubernetes also avoids writing secrets to disk unnecessarily and only sends them to nodes that actually need them. ConfigMaps don't get this treatment because they're not considered sensitive. When you enable encryption at rest, only secrets get encrypted in etcd, not ConfigMaps. In practice, use ConfigMaps for things like application config files, database connection strings without credentials, or environment-specific settings. Use Secrets for database passwords, API keys, TLS certificates, or OAuth tokens. Keep them separate, and your cluster stays secure. To summarize, ConfigMaps are for configuration, Secrets are for credentials, and Kubernetes gives you the tools to keep them separate. Practice this distinction, and you'll ace this question. See you in the next one. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.